Is AI? Have you ever wondered how Google predicts your searches or how Netflix recommends the perfect movie for you? Well, that's the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI. Definition. So, what exactly is AI? In simple words, AI is when machines or computers are designed to think and learn like humans. Instead of just following instructions, they analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions on their own. For example, when you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's AI understanding your voice. When YouTube suggests videos you might like, that's AI. Even self driving cars use AI to recognize roads, traffic signals, and people. Types. There are two main kinds of AI. One, narrow AI, focused on one task, like Google Translate or a chess playing app. Two, general AI, a future goal where machines can think and learn like humans in any field. Why it matters. AI is everywhere today, in healthcare, education, business, and even entertainment. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps us solve big problems faster. So the next time you get a movie suggestion or unlock your phone with Face ID, remember, that's AI at work. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and fun learning videos.